using for bait, Mike?
You got a bluegill on here.
Little bluegill, let me see him.
Putting the hook right through the back of the tail.
Little bluegill?
Yep.
Alright, cast him in there.
Under a bobber.
Get a bass. Alright, man. I got one running with. He's got a bluegill on there. Let's see.
Yep.
He's running. Let's see, Mike.
I set the hook now?
Yeah, set the hook. Got him?
Got some.
Let's see.
Sounds like Mike might have one out too.
Mike got one too?
That feels good.
Feels good, huh? That sounds like you got one. Look at bass. Bluegill, huh? All right, man.
Not a bad bass right there.
Hold him up. On a live bluegill.
Yeah.
All right, man.
With the bluegill. Oh yeah.
Another good one. Bass on bluegills. He come up, he smacked that one. Oh yeah.
Another good bass.
Bluegill.
Oh, popped off.
Popped it off. Well, the bluegill's still there. That's what he hit on. Get it back out there, see if we hit another one. Still alive. Couple bass. Both on bluegills, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
I'll get a few more small bluegills, cast it in, get some more, huh?
Yeah, sounds good.
6-pounders in here.
Alright, see ya. Pop those.
You popped those?
Yeah.
Missed them? Missed them?
Yeah.
Boy, that felt like a big fish. I knew I see the fish splashing over this way. He took that bluegill down and smashed it. Dude, this is a big fish. He took me down in the weeds, man.
You still on there?
No, look at that big wall. Mike got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, I got him with the weeds.
You got a whole clump of weeds coming in. Mike's got one over there. Mike, come show me that one.
Does it look like it was on there? Huh?
Oh yeah, that looks like a nice one.
This one, Mike.
Not bad. That's a nice bass.
Look at him. Huh? Nice one.
Yeah.
On the bluegill. Tell you, Mike, how over here I see him. Look, he's got someone else's hook in his mouth too. Look. He broke somebody off. Broke somebody off, and here's my hook. Circle hook. Circle hook and a live bluegill. All right, man. Catch me another bluegill, man.
All right.